We just reached yung Mongpok, the famous Mongpok. Parang shopping area daw nila. Tapos, parang 8 stops, no?
High-tech ka, high-tech. So smart.
Going down tayo. Ha?
I think on the other side.
So we are L1.
The train to Central is arriving. Please let passengers exit first. 请小心列車與月台間之空隙，請小心列車與月台之間空隙。Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
L1. Ang galing, dumaan.
Paano yun siya? Pindot?
Kasi siya sa PW.
Galing, ah.
No touch.
What no touch?
Because for that. And
Galing.
also for if you're
Mobility
yes,
compromise.
probably.
Galing.
And mobility challenged.
This is another,
Sa
subway
second floor pa lang
lines.
to, di ba? Oo, sumunod.
Year 10?
Hindi, isa pa.
Ay, isa pa?
It's another subway line eh.
So ilang layer? Parang 3 layers yung subway nila.
Dalawa po. Kasi for last
They have 2 trains on top of each other.
central to
Kaya lang, wave sensor operated. So grabe.
Grabe no?
Next generation. Sa kabila. Yeah, here, I think here. Okay.
Exit.
Exit ko. Ano eh, sa atin Hanay, pindutin, paano yung gawin natin yung sa atin?
Open mo yung app ulit.
Ah,
Tap lock it.
okay.
Okay? Ikaw muna.
Okay,